What's up? It's your boy Swabby Dobby, owner operator Perfect Touch Auto Glass in Richmond, Virginia. And today we're working on a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. Oh yeah, she's a big beauty. Remember, it has those side moldings which you might have to cut out, but it's so hot out here. It's so hot out here that these side moldings just came off like butter. I'm telling you, you don't get this. Not with this vehicle. You don't get this with this vehicle. And I guess the powers that be was lined up that everything was smooth operation. I mean, this thing cut out like butter. I was able to hand remove the side molding. I was able to get through with the cold knife. I mean, this thing cut out like butter. You couldn't ask for it. You couldn't ask for a better situation when it comes to this vehicle in these extreme conditions. But moving on along, you know what I'm saying, you want to remove that old adhesive. Me, I prefer a scraper for the tops and the sides versus using a long knife. Some technicians prefer a long knife all the way around. I believe I can be more detailed with the adhesive removal by using a scraper. And I'm listening and I'm learning the pinch well. See, if installing glass hasn't become an art, how can you call yourself an expert? But anyway, so this installation is going wonderfully. The customer, phenomenal woman. I believe that if anybody encounters that lady, she will leave you feeling a little bit better about yourself. Nice husband, wonderful family, and they're getting a great installation. They could not chose a better person. Perfect Touch Auto Glass with Virginia, boy, Swabby Dobby. So you want to make sure you prep the glass. My videographer didn't get me putting the molding, but real simple when it comes to putting the moldings on. And I'm running the VB, and this is a big windshield, so I'm going as far over as possible to avoid potential leaks. And I'm running like a 3/4 speed, and I'm taking my time. And this is a wide pinch well, so I can go right down the middle with my bead ring. And I don't have to worry about gooage on the inside or gooage on the outside because of those side moldings and being that the pinch well is so big. And I'm just going all the way across it. And like I say, when I do the right side, I like to use that hand on that side when running the urethane. That's why that's just how I do it. And same thing around that side. I can go straight down the middle because the pinch well is so wide on this. You can't mess this installation up if you tried your best to mess it up. But I'm not gonna say that because there's someone out there who can actually mess it up. But yeah, take your time. You know what I'm saying? Shut the door. I'm coming up on the single man set, and you already know I got my cloth down as previously done in all my other videos. And I'm checking out that vent notch. I'm looking all the way at the end. I'm like, okay, this is where I wanna. Let me lay her down. Take your time. Got her in there. And then it just all formality after that. You know what I'm saying? Be all that you can be. You know what I'm saying? Like this video, subscribe, and you know what I'm saying? It's your boy Swabby Dobby, owner operator Perfect Touch Auto Glass in Richmond, Virginia.